Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. And today I decided on these really fun glasses to do some etching. So the process on this, and this is using our transfer from Couture Beach Day. And it doesn't hurt your transfer at all. The only etching is on the glass. So the process that we do, or that I'm going to do today, is take the cream and apply it up and down, vertical, horizontal, diagonal, even in circles, and keep applying the cream. I'm doing this process for about 5 minutes, and I do time it. It keeps it from getting a streaky result, a more even on your glass. So after I do this process for 5 minutes, then I'm going to set it aside for 10 minutes. And then I'll go ahead and do the other 3 glasses while I'm waiting for that one to finish up. It really is an easy technique. I would suggest that you can wear gloves, but just be careful you don't get this on your hands. Just wash it off real quick if you do. Now I'm on my second one. I have USA, I have a flower, I have an anchor. And here you see I am smoothing out the flower with the squeegee. It is on a rounded surface, so you just want to make sure. There's a flower. Turned out pretty cool, right? And this is not going to wash off. So you can put this on the top rack of your dishwasher. Easy peasy, and you're done. Now, I just clean it like normal for the transfer. Let it dry, sticky side up. On these, you just put warm water over them. Love it. If you'd like it too, just go to my website, couture.com/Cherie Criswell. And the good old USA. I love this. So fun.